So good evening student. Today we start from question number 8 till question number 7 we have discussed yesterday in our in our previous online class. Now in this class we discussed from question number 8 to 15. I think it is the last question. Yeah. So let's we start here. So let's we start. So first of all read the question. Question says subtract the sum of minus 5 by 7 and 15 by 14 from 9 by 8. We have to subtract sum of these two from this. Okay. So first of all we have to suppose if you don't understand this question, I give a simple example here. Suppose we have to subtract the sum of 1 and 2 from 5. Okay. Subtract the sum of 1 and 2, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. We have to subtract 3 from 5. Okay. So like that only we have to find the addition sum of these two numbers. Okay. First of all we have to add these two, and then whatever we get the answer or whatever we get the sum, we have to subtract that sum from the 9 by 28. So we'll look here. Let's go ahead. Sum of minus 5 by 7 and 15 by 14 equals to minus 5 by 7 plus 15 by 14. And here we go. We take the LCM of 7 and 14, that is 14 itself, because you know the LCM of, if we take the LCM and the both in two numbers, when we are taking the LCM of two numbers and one of them are the multiple of the second number, then that the bigger, that is the multiple, becomes the LCM. That 17 becomes the LCM. Okay. So 7 to the 14, so minus 5 to the minus 100 minus 10. Okay. Plus 15, that is we get here 5 by 14. This is the sum of these two number. Now according to question, what we have to do, we have to subtract this number from 9 by 28. So what we do here, that 9 by 28 minus 5 by 14. So here what we do, we take the LCM of 28 and 14. So again 28 the multiple of 14, multiple you know. So what what we have to do is that 28 is the 28, we write 28 as the 20, means we write the LCM of 28 and 14 as 28. Okay, because 28 is the multiple of 14. So 9 we have to write like as it is, that is 9. And for 14 we have to multiply 14 by 2, then we get 28. That's why we have to multiply 5 by 2, that is 10. 9 minus 10 equals 20, that is minus 1 by 28. This is our final answer. Okay. Now next question, what I discuss here, that 10 number. Okay, 9 number is same as of the 8 number. So in it, what is difference is that we have to find the sum of these two and again these two, and we subtract the sum of these two from this one. Okay. So and third number, subtract 1 by 20 from this. Okay, minus 4 by 5. We subtract 11 by 20 from minus 5 minus 4 by 5, and then add minus 9 by 10 to the answer. Whatever we get the answer, we have to add minus 9 by 10. Suppose if you are not understanding, suppose you have to give a very simple example. Suppose we have to subtract 2 from 5, and then add suppose 1. Suppose we 1 to the answer. So what we do here, so we have to subtract 2 from 5, that is 3. Then we have to add 1 to 3, that is 4. So what we do is that we have to subtract these two, and whatever we get the answer from to that answer, we have to add minus 9 by 10. So looks how to go here. 10 number. So in 10 number, minus 4 by 5 minus 11 by 20, here we write it. We have to subtract this one. So we take the LCM as 20. How? This 20, because 20 is the multiple of 5. That's why I write 20. Okay. Directly we can write. So we multiply minus 4 by 4. Why? Because by 4 time in table of 5 we get 20. So minus 60 minus 11, that is minus 27 by 20. Now we have to add minus 20. Now we add minus 9 by 10. Okay. So you say, sir, how you are adding? So one step is leaving here. Suppose if you write like this, so in next step you can write minus 27 by 20 minus 9 by 10. Okay. So you can go like this, and after this we go here. Okay. So minus 27 by 20 plus minus 9 by 10, and then we have to write this question, and then minus 27 minus 18 by 20. So here minus 45 by 20. When we cancel it by table of 5, and we cancel 5 for 20 and 5 9 minus 9. Okay, we have, this is known as cancelling the both number with the same number. Okay, suppose when we cancel this one by 5, then also we have to cancel this by 5. So we read the table of 5. In table of 5, 4 times we get 20 and 9 times we get 45. So it is 9 minus 9 by 4. This is our required answer. Now then we go to next question, that is 11 number that I want to discuss with you. So 11 number. So first of all you read the question. In a baskets of fruits, 1 by 3 are apples, 1 by 4 are oranges, 1 by 5 are bananas, the remaining are mangoes. So in a basket of fruits, there are 1 by 3 among the fruit that are apple, 1 by 4 are oranges, and 1 by 5 are bananas, and remaining are mangoes. Means remaining fruits is mangoes. So what are the which part of the what part of the basket of fruit is mango? We have to find this one, and if the total number of fruit is 24, it is given to us 240. How many each are there in the basket? So let's go ahead. So how I go? It is like this. Suppose number of fruit is 240, number of apple is 1 by 3 of 24. How I go? By the concept of fraction that we study in standard 6 5. Okay, so here you can cut it, you get 80 apples. Number of oranges, 1 by 4 into 240, here you get 60 oranges. Number of banana, 1 by 5th or 240, that is 48 bananas. The number of mangoes is how much? We have to add first of all this and then subtract it to 240. So I do like this only, and we get 52 mangoes. Part of basket for the mangoes is 52 by 240, that is 13 by 60. This is the answer. This is the part that occupied by the mango in that basket. Now the last question that I discuss with you, that is for 12 number. First of all, read the question, understand the question. The difference of two rational numbers is minus 6 by 25. If the greatest number is minus 4 by 9, what is the smaller number? So the difference of two rational number is given to us, that is minus 6 by 5, and among the two number, the greatest number is given to us, that is minus 4 by 9. What is the smaller number? So when you are not understanding how to go ahead, so we go with a simple example. Suppose the difference of two number is 2, and among the if the among two number which is the greater number, it is 10. Okay, so which is the smaller number? So 10 minus 8. If we subtract 8 from 10, then we get 2. How we go know? When we subtract 2 from 10. Okay, so like that only. Here I give the example. Suppose the answer is the difference between two numbers is 3, and among them the greatest number is 5. So what the small number is 2. How I know? We subtract this 2, we get this. So let's go ahead, move ahead here. Difference of two rational number is minus 9 by 25. Greater number is minus 4 by 9. So according to question minus 4 by 9 minus 6 by 25. It is equals to minus 4 by 9 plus 6 by 25. Now we take the LCM. 9 for 25, that is 225 by minus 100 plus 54. So when we subtract these two, we get minus 46 by 225. So this is the required what you call rational number. Okay, so at last you have to write the concluding line here. Thus minus 46 by 225 is required rational number. So you have to go like this, and in next class we discuss but multiplication and exercise 3.3. That's all for today. Thank you.